Hey guys, after a long and stressful week of laundry and ironing, it's finally Saturday. Time to rest and unwind even for a while. Alam niyo naman ako kapag stress, food trip is life. So today kasama ko si someone special at nandito kami sa Campfire Pizza sa Buganian, Marulug District, Davao City. At syempre, you must try their bestseller, overnight pulled pork pizza. Grabe, ang sarap, super cheesy, smoky at malasa. At hindi rin papahuli ang Bake City. Creamy, cheesy at sobrang satisfying. Kung mahilig kayo sa pizza at pasta, siguradong babalik-balikan nyo ito. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Stress ka? Gutom ka? Tara na, kain tayo dito sa Campfire Pizza. At syempre, don't forget to follow me for more food trips update and fun adventures. See you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!